guys, I'm going down this random road that I've never been down before. Don't know where it leads. So if I get lost, you guys don't see this footage, well, you wouldn't know I'm gone. You'll just say, hey, he just stopped uploading. Where is this going? Ew, what the heck? Elder Grove Equestrian Trailhead. Ew, I should not be here. Not be here. Where am I going? Alright. That's gonna be fun getting back, straight up. Elder Grove Regional Park Equestrian Trailhead. Okay, my thought is I'm not going down that hill, that curve right now. I'm just gonna go ahead, take a left and see where it leads me and try and find a path back home from there. I've had bad experiences with steep hills. Don't really want to deal with them again, to be honest. Well, we're in the farm now. I think I've been here before when I was recording Rollers with Jimmy Disaster Hero. Let's remember him. Zero Avenue. I think across, far away across here is the US border. On the other side. I need to be careful. Don't want to hop off into the States. Or heck, what do I even know? Maybe that is the US border. Don't think that is. I think the US border is like a bit farther up ahead. Further up ahead, there's a turn I can take a left and go back uphill, go back into town. I think it's here. I think I could take this turn. So what is this? Lefevre Road? Hell yeah, this is it. I'm gonna take this road. I don't know if it's uphill or anything, but I'm gonna take it. Take this road and see where it goes, and if it's where I need to be, perfect. Because, yeah, this might be the other side of the regional park, straight up, to be honest. Yep, the other side. Figured it out. Figured it out. Okay, we can head on home now. I've been out for a little bit now. I've been recording motovlogs for like the past hour. Oh, it's right here. Oh, that makes sense. That makes a ton of sense. Okay, sounds good. Alright. There's that. We got through the lost part. How have you guys been? How have you guys been now? I'm cruising and vibing. We're in the middle of the, by the time this video goes out, middle of September. Yeah, hell yeah. I'm recording this early on, like straight up, to be honest. I'm recording this like at least 2 weeks in advance. We're in the middle of September now. How you guys doing? Most of you guys are going back to school. What's new? How's your courses going? Yeah. I'm just assuming that the majority of you watching are still in school. Either high school or university, straight up. Although some of you might not be, or you guys might be going back to school, like going back to get another degree or a master's or PhD or whatever, like, yo, what's up? Best of luck, guys and girls. Best of luck with all that. I'm honestly surprised, like, straight up, this phone mount's been keeping my phone on here. I'm going at like 80, 90, sometimes 100. I'm still skeptical about the highway, but we're almost at highway speeds. Like, the phone's been staying on perfectly fine. I'm impressed. Definitely impressed at this phone case. I mean, this phone mount. Don't use it that often. Hey, it's an STI. Video here, like straight up. I'm just gonna go get some gas and then head home. So thank you guys for coming with me on getting, like, thank you guys for coming with me and getting lost. And I feel like the fumes of the car are coming out right now into my helmet. It also stinks. Whether it's from that or from the truck. They sort of smell. So, end the video here. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.